This is how you make pour-over coffee using Sipologie Clarity Pour-Over V60. We start by heating up water up to 95 degrees Celsius. Then we move on to measuring 15 grams of fresh coffee beans, measured precisely for 250 milliliters of water. The grind is medium, ideal for a clean, flavorful extraction. Place the paper filter in the dripper, then rinse it with hot water. This removes any papery taste and warms the carafe. Now add your coffee grounds. We begin the bloom by pouring 30 milliliters of hot water, just enough to saturate the grounds. Let it bloom for 30 seconds. This allows gases to escape and sets the stage for a balanced brew. Gradually pour the rest of the water till you reach 250 milliliters in around 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have a cup that is smooth, balanced, and full of character,